Hi guys, myself Soumya and I welcome you on this beautiful channel Neetbioworld. So, in today's video, we are going to study about Zoology second paper of BSc third year for 2022 year, and these questions are for all universities guys. So, pay attention to it. तो चलते हैं अपने क्वेश्चंस पे। Question number first. Grafting between two members of the same species is, यहाँ पूछ रहे हैं जब दो सेम स्पीसीज के दो मेंबर्स के बीच में ग्राफ्टिंग होती है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं। ऑप्शंस आर एलोग्राफ, ऑटोग्राफ, जीनोग्राफ, नन ऑफ द एबव। तो इसका आंसर है ए, विच इज एलोग्राफ। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, एट वॉट स्पीड डू यू सेंट्रीफ्यूग ब्लड। कितने स्पीड पे आप ब्लड को सेंट्रीफ्यूग करते हैं। तो इसका आंसर है सी, विच इज 2200 to 2500 RPM। नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन, आइसोलेशन ऑफ BT gene from bacterium was taken up in the year। BT जीन को बैसिलस थुरिंजिनेसिस बैक्टीरियम से कौन से ईयर में निकाला गया था। ऑप्शंस है 1977, 1980, 1997, 1990। तो इसका आंसर है बी, विच इज 1980। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट ट्रिपल एंटीजन वैक्सीनेशन इज गिवन टू द चाइल्ड एट द एज ऑफ। ऑप्शंस आर 1 month, 3 months, 4 months, 1 year। तो इसका आंसर है सी, विच इज 4 months। फर्स्ट ट्रिपल एंटीजन वैक्सीनेशन जो होता है गाइज वो 2 month, 4 month एंड 6 month के लिए होता है। जब बेबी 2 month का होता है तब उसको लगती है वैक्सीन, जब वो 4 month को होता है तब लगती है, एंड जब वो 6 month का होता है तब लगती है। नाउ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, टिश्यू कल्चर वॉज लॉन्च्ड बाय। टिश्यू कल्चर को किसने लॉन्च किया था। ऑप्शंस आर हैरिसन, कैरल, मेंडल एंड खुराना। तो इसका आंसर है बी, विच इज कैरल। सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, immunodeficiency makes a person highly susceptible to infection, it is caused by। यहाँ बोल रहे हैं जब बॉडी में इम्यूनोडेफिशिएंसी होती है तब एक पर्सन को जल्दी इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है। तो ये कौन सी सेल्स की कमी से होता है। ऑप्शंस आर लैक ऑफ बी सेल्स, लैक ऑफ टी सेल्स, लैक ऑफ बोथ बी एंड टी सेल्स, नन ऑफ द एबव। तो इसका आंसर है सी, विच इज लैक ऑफ बोथ बी एंड टी सेल्स। सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन, एक्चुअल में गाइस यहाँ पे इस वर्ड की जगह यहाँ पे ब्रांच होगा, ये बैरनाच नहीं है, इसका जो रियल टर्म है वो ब्रांच है। ओके, सो ब्रांच डीलिंग विद जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग इज। ऐसी कौन सी ब्रांच है जो जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग के साथ डील करती है। ऑप्शंस आर यूजेनिक्स, यूफेनिक्स, यूथेनिक्स, नन ऑफ द एबव। सो आंसर इज ए, विच इज यूजेनिक्स। एट्थ क्वेश्चन, एक्सपेंड एलिसा। तो इसका आंसर है ए, एंजाइम लिंक्ड इम्यूनोसॉर्बेट एसे। नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन, द नंबर ऑफ मेथड ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी इज। ऑप्शंस आर 2, 3, 4, 5। आंसर इज द बी, विच इज 3। 10th क्वेश्चन, एंटीबॉडीज इन अवर बॉडी आर कॉम्प्लेक्स। हमारी बॉडी में जो एंटीबॉडी होती है एक्चुअल में वो कॉम्प्लेक्स क्या है। ऑप्शंस आर लाइपोप्रोटीन्स, स्टेरॉइड्स, प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन्स, ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स। तो इसका आंसर है डी, विच इज ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन। नाउ 11th क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनेल्स इज रिलेटेड विद जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग। ऑप्शंस आर गोल्जी apparatus, लाइसोसोम्स, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड प्लाज्मिड्स। तो इसका आंसर है डी, विच इज plasmids. 12th question. Characters of acquired immunity are. Acquired immunity जो हम खुद एक्वायर करते हैं उसके कैरेक्टर्स क्या होते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर स्पेसिफिसिटी ऑफ एंटीजन, डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेल्फ एंड नॉन सेल्फ एंटीजन, रिटेन्स मेमोरी, ऑल ऑफ द एबव। तो इसका आंसर है डी, ऑल ऑफ द एबव। 13th क्वेश्चन। रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी इज रिलेटेड विद। Options are C. Darwin, Stanley Cohen, Herbert Boyer, both B and C. So answer is the D, both B and C, because Cohen and Boyer ने ही सबसे पहले recombinant DNA टेक्नोलॉजी को दिया था। Now 14th question. The average of the following numbers is. इन numbers का average क्या निकलेगा? Options are x plus 5, x plus 7, x plus 6, x plus 8. तो इसका आंसर है C, which is x plus 6. Now 15 question. Identify the plasmid. Options are AIU first, Hind third, Eco RI, PBR 332. तो इसका आंसर है D, which is PBR 332. Now 16 question. The arithmetic mean of 4, 6, 8 and A is 7. The value of A will be. तो इसका आंसर है B, which is 10. Now 17 question. T cells are lymphocytes which produce the cellular immunity. These are developed from. यहाँ बोल रहे हैं T cells जो होती हैं वो कहाँ से डेवलप होती हैं? Options are thymus, liver, spleen, endothelium of blood vessels. तो इसका आंसर गाइस A, which is thymus, because जो T cells होती हैं वो thymus में ही mature होती हैं। Now 18 question. First biochemical to be produced commercially by microbial cloning and genetic engineering. पहला बायोकेमिकल जो क्लोनिंग एंड जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग से बना है वो कौन है? ऑप्शंस आर ह्यूमन इंसुलिन, पेनिसिलिन, इंटरफेरॉन, फर्टिलिटी फैक्टर। तो इसका आंसर है ए, विच इज ह्यूमन इंसुलिन। 19 क्वेश्चन. द arithmetic mean of 4 number is 16. If there is one number is 10, then arithmetic mean of rest 3 number will be. तो इसका आंसर है गाइस 20, which is D1. Now 20 question. Gel electrophoresis is used for. तो इसका आंसर है गाइस B. It is used for separation of DNA fragments according to their size. और इसका जो यूज है वो DNA फिंगरप्रिंटिंग में बहुत किया जाता है। Now 21 question. AIDS is caused by acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, जिसका फुल फॉर्म है, ये किससे होता है? ऑप्शंस आर ब्लड कैंसर, HTLV थर्ड, बैक्टीरियम, TMV। तो इसका आंसर है बी, विच इज HTLV थर्ड, जो कि HIV वायरस को ही हम बोलते हैं। तो आंसर इज दी B1. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन recombinant DNA technique, the term vector refers to. recombinant DNA टेक्नोलॉजी में जो टर्म आता है वेक्टर, इसका मीन क्या होता है? तो गाइस इसका आंसर है ए, विच इज plasmids that can transfer foreign DNA into a living cell. तो ये जो गाइस प्लाज्मिड होते हैं वो एक्चुअल में एक्स्ट्रा DNA फ्रेगमेंट्स होते हैं जो हमको मोस्टली कुछ बैक्टीरियम में काफ़ी ज़्यादा मिल जाते हैं, और ये प्लाज्मिड एज ए वेक्टर का काम करते हैं। ये फॉरेन DNA को कैरी करते हैं और उसको एक दूसरे लिविंग सेल की बॉडी में लाते हैं। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The median of the following number is. Options are 18, 15, 20 and 22. तो इसका आंसर है D, which is 22. Now 24th question. Which one of the following technique made it possible to genetically engineer living organism. Options are heavier isotope labeling, hybridization, recombinant DNA technique and X-ray diffraction. तो इसका आंसर है C, which is recombinant DNA techniques. Now, next question. Passive immunity can be obtained by injecting. Options are antigens, antibodies, antibiotics, vaccination having weakened germs. तो इसका आंसर है B, which is antibodies. 26th question. PCR and restriction fragment length polymorphism are the methods for. Options are study of enzymes, genetic transformation, DNA sequencing, genetic fingerprinting. तो guys इसका आंसर है D, which is genetic fingerprinting. Next question. The mode of the following number is. Options are 15, 13, 12 and 10. तो इसका आंसर है C, which is 12. Now, 28th question. What is the neutral value of pH scale? यहाँ गाइस पूछ रहे हैं कि pH स्केल की न्यूट्रल वैल्यू क्या होती है. So options are less than 5, equal to 7, less than 9, less than 10. तो इसका आंसर है B, which is equal to 7. Next question. In ELISA test, substance used is. Options are peroxidase, polymerase, ligase, endonuclease. तो इसका आंसर है A, which is peroxidase, जिसका फुल नेम होता है HRP, horse radish peroxidase. Okay guys, now 30 question. The literal meaning of regression is. Options are to move forward, to come nearby, to move back, to move round. तो इसका आंसर है C, to move back. 31 question. In which of the following areas is the pH scale an important measuring instrument? Options are drug, forestry, food science, all of the above. तो इसका आंसर है D, which is all of the above, because इन सभी fields में pH scale जो है वो एक बहुत ही important measuring instrument है. Now, next question. An analysis of chromosomal DNA using the Southern hybridization technique does not use. Options are radio, autoradiography, PCR, electrophoresis, blotting. So इसका आंसर है A, which is autoradiography. Now 33 question. Use of regression take place in the following fields. Regression का यूज कौन सी फील्ड में होता है? Options are economic field, social field, biological field, all of the above. तो इसका आंसर है D, which is all of the above. Now 34th question. Study of interaction of antigen and antibodies in the blood. जब ब्लड में हम एंटीजन और एंटीबॉडीज के आपस के इंटरेक्शन को पढ़ते हैं तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर क्रायोबायोलॉजी, सेरोलॉजी, हेमेटोलॉजी, एंजियोलॉजी. तो इसका आंसर है बी, विच इज सेरोलॉजी. नाउ 35th क्वेश्चन. Maximum number of existing transgenic animals is of. Options are pig, fish, mice and cow. तो इसका आंसर है C, which is mice. Now 36th question. An example of gene silencing is. Options are BT cotton, flavor shaver tomato, transgenic maize, transgenic rice. तो इसका आंसर गाइस B, which is flavor shaver tomato. Next question. Which technique separates charged particles using electric field? So इसका आंसर है B, which is electrophoresis. 38th question. A bioreactor refers to. Its answer is A, because a bioreactor is a device in which substances are treated to stimulate biochemical transformation by living cells. Now, 39 question. From the following data, range will be. Options are 60, 70, 40 and 50. तो इसका आंसर है B, which is 70. 40 question. Antibodies are produced by. Options are erythrocytes, thrombocytes, monocytes, lymphocytes. तो इसका आंसर है D, which is lymphocytes. 41 question. Article regression mediocrity in hereditary state written by. Options are Carl Pearson, Francis Galton, C.P. Bonny, Carl Gauss. तो इसका आंसर है B, which is Francis Galton. Now, next question. Chimeric DNA is. Options are a part of recombinant DNA, in fact, passenger DNA. Recombinant DNA formed by combining vector DNA and passenger DNA. Residual DNA that has no role in genetic engineering. तो इसका आंसर है guys A part of recombinant DNA. Now, 43 question. AIDS Day is. Options are July 1st, March 1st, December 1st, May 1st. So, answer is the C, which is December 1st. And I hope ये answer सबको पता ही होगा. Now, 44th question. Passive immunity was discovered by. Options are Robert Koch, P. Chaudhary, Edward Jenner, Emil von Behring. So, answer is the D, which is Emil von Behring. Now, 45 question. Which of the following segment is correct in the context of observing DNA fragments separated by agarose gel electrophoresis? This answer guys D, which is ethium bromide strained DNA can be seen under exposure of UV light. 46th question. The formula used for probable error of correlated coefficient is A, which is 1 minus r square root n. Now, next question. The experimental manipulation of DNA of different species producing recombinant DNA is also known as. Answer is B, which is recombinant DNA technology. 48th question. A molecule that elicits an immune response is called. Options are antibody, antigen, mutagen and carcinogen. So, answer is the B, which is antigen. Next question. The formula related with Carl Pearson coefficient of correlation is. Answer is C, which is R is equals to sum of x minus x by minus by upon root of sum of x minus x bar sum of by minus by whole square. Now, 50 question. The first recombinant DNA was constructed by. Options are Stanley Cohen and Herbert Boyer, Albert Nathan and Smith, Fleming and Berg, Joshua Lederberg. Answer is the A, which is Cohen and Boyer. 51 question. Electrophoresis was developed by. Answer is C, which is Tiselius. Next question. Vaccination against smallpox means the introduction into our body of. Answer is D, actual weakened smallpox virus. Now, 53 question. The first human drug made using recombinant DNA technology was. Options are glycostage, TPA, insulin and erythropoietin. Answer is the C, which is insulin. Now, 54th question. Vaccines are prepared from immune. Options are vitamins, blood, serum and plasma. So, answer is the C, which is serum. Now, 55 question. For rapid production of alcohol, immobilized yeast cells are kept in. Options are silica gel, wire netting, porcelain columns, calcium alginate beads. So answer is D, which is calcium alginate beads. Now 56th question. Frequency distribution is denoted in picture form by. Options are bar diagram, histogram, line diagram, pie diagram. So answer is the B, which is a histogram. Next question. Which of the following vaccines are injected to babies at the age of 1/2, 2/2 and 3/2 month? So answer is the A, which is DPT, HIP, B and polio. Now 58th question. What is the source of EcoRI? So guys, its answer is D, which is Escherichia coli R by 13. Now 59th question. The percentage income is depicted by. Answer is B, which is bar diagram. 60th question. Which of the following is not a type of centrifugation? Answer is C, which is microfiltration. Now 61 question. Which of the following is an autoimmune disease? Options are rheumatoid arthritis, Graves' disease, Hashimoto's disease, all of the above. So answer is A, which is rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease. Next question. What is correct match of phenomenon and its explanation? So guys, answer is D, which include reverse transcription, then PCR. PCR give many copies of DNA sequences. Now 63rd question. Lal Bahadur Shastri Biotechnological Center is in. Options are Bombay, Calcutta, Delhi, Kanpur. So answer is C, which is Delhi. Now 64th question. World Health Day is means वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे जो है वो हम कब मनाते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर 7th March, 7th April, 7th May, 7th June. So answer is B, which is 7th April. Now 65 question. To calculate mean deviation, the formula is mean deviation को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? So answer is A, which is MD equals to sum of FD square upon N. Now 66th question. Grey biotechnology is related to. Options are medical process, industrial process, agricultural process, aquatic process. So answer is A, which is a medical process. Next question. How many variable segments are present in the basic structure of antibody molecules? Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is D, that is 4. Now 68th question. Dextran is used in. Options are bleeding, blood preservation, blood transfusion, blood clotting. So answer is C, that is blood transfusion. Next question. Interferons are. Options are antiviral proteins, antibacterial proteins, anti-cancer proteins, none of the above. So answer is A, which is antiviral proteins. Now 70 question. Hybridomas are employed for. Options are synthesis of antibodies, killing cancer cells, synthesis of monoclonal antibodies, production of somatic hybrids. So answer is C, because these are employed for the synthesis of monoclonal antibiotics. 71 question. An instrument which measures wavelength of ultraviolet and visible light is named as. Answer is D, which is a spectrophotometer. Now next question. Cells obtained from cancerous tumor are known as hybridomas, myelomas, lymphocyte and monoclonal cells. So answer is B, which is myelomas. Now 73 question. The formula x square is equals to sum of x minus x bar whole square upon n is used for calculation of answer is B, which is standard deviation. Now, 74th question. The treatment of a snake bite by anti-venom is an example of options are artificially acquired active immunity, artificially acquired passive immunity, naturally acquired passive immunity, specific natural immunity. So answer is B, which is artificially acquired passive immunity. Now 25 question. Nuclear transplantation technique was discovered by options are Briggs, Ian Wilmot, Gurdon and Griffith. So answer is B, which is Ian Wilmot. Now 76 question. Uniformly thin sections of tissue are cut by options sharp knife, scissor, laser, microtome. So answer is D, which is microtome. Next question. To obtain maximum resolving power, which color of light is used? So answer is C, which is red. Now 78th question. A genetically engineered microorganism used successfully in bioremediation of oil spills is a species of options are Pseudomonas, Trichoderma, Xanthomonas, Bacillus. So answer is A, which is Pseudomonas. Next question. Antibodies resemble which of the following shape? Answer is B, which is of bi. Now 80 question. NIF genes occur in options are Rhizobium, Penicillium, Aspergillus, Streptococcus. So answer is A, which is Rhizobium. 81 question. To study the living cells, which microscope is used? Answer is A, that is electron microscope. Next question. In the following, which one is not a measure of dispersion? Options are range, standard deviation, variance and regression. So answer is D, that is regression. Now 83 question. Polio is caused by? Answer is B. Polio is caused by a virus with single standard RNA. Now 84th question. The main technique involved in agricultural biotechnology is called options are tissue culture, transformation, plant breeding, DNA replication. So answer is A, that is tissue culture. Now 85 question. The maximum resolving power of a light microscope is? Options are 0.15 μm, 0.25 μm, 0.35 μm, 0.45 μm. So answer is B, which is 0.25 μm. Next question. The new strain of bacteria produced by biotechnology in alcohol industry is? Answer is B, because that strain is of Saccharomyces cerevisiae bacterium. Now next question. Magnetic lenses are used in options are light microscope, compound microscope, phase contrast microscope and electron microscope. So answer is D, which is electron microscope. Next question. BCG vaccine is given against? Answer is C, that is tuberculosis. Now next question. Which of the following is used in electron microscope? Answer is D, that is electron beams and magnetic fields. Now 90 question. The vaccine of hepatitis B is A. Answer is C, that is second generation vaccine. Next question. In September 2001, which of the following was used as a blow weapon agent in America? So answer is B, which is anthrax. Next question. The magnifying power of electron microscope is? Its answer is D, which is 1 crore times. Now 93 question. Which one of the following is now being commercially produced by biotechnological procedures. Options are nicotine, morphine, quinine, and insulin. So answer is D, which is insulin. Now, 94th question. The resolving power of human eye is, options are 200 μm, 150 μm, 100 μm, 50 μm. So answer is A, which is 200 μm. Now, 95th question. Polio immunizing vaccine was developed by, answer is B, which is Dr. शाल्क, जिन्होंने इस वैक्सीन को डेवलप किया था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The linking of antibiotic resistance gene with plasmid vector become possible with, options are DNA polymerase, exonuclease, DNA ligase, and endonuclease. Answer is C, which is DNA ligase. Next question. Active immunity development is related to, options are natural killer cells, memory cells, helper T cells, suppressor T cells. Answer is B, which is memory cells. Next question. Genetic engineering is possible because, answer is C, because we can cut DNA at specific sites by endonucleases like DNase first. Now, next question. Which of these is used as vector in gene therapy for SCID? किसको हम एज ए वेक्टर यूज करते हैं SCID के जीन थेरेपी में? सो इसका आंसर है सी, विच इज रेट्रोवायरस. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन. A student wishes to study the cell structure under a light microscope having 10 into eyepiece and 45 into objective. He should illuminate the object by which one of the following colors of light so as to get the best possible resolution? Options are yellow, green, blue, and red. So answer is the C, which is blue. Okay guys, तो वीडियो जो है हमारा यहाँ पे एंड होता है. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो उसको प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड कमेंट बॉक्स में अपने व्यूज़ बताएं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय.